This is my 1970 Yamaha TR2B production road racer that has been made streetable. This bike came to me as a box of parts, a very incomplete box of parts. There was no engine, just basically a frame and a gas tank and the wheels. So I took some liberties with it and I restored it as a streetable motorcycle. The TR2 was built around the highly modified YR3 engine, and so I went and found a standard YR3 street bike engine and I rebuilt it, and that's what you see there. These made about 40 horsepower for the street. And then I had some Spec 2 exhaust pipes made. Rob North Fabricating did some of the work for me, like this oil injection tank that you see here hanging from the frame. He also made the seat that you see. This is sort of a copy of the standard seat, only it's larger. It contoured like it, but it's actually bigger. You can see how much wider it is just by looking how it flares out. But the box on the back looks similar, but it houses the tail light, and inside it houses the gel cell battery and the voltage regulator and some of the wiring. Here you see the custom chain guard that Rob North made for me, made out of stainless steel. It has Spec 2 shocks on it, or Works Performance shocks. It has a full electrical system of the YR3 Yamaha. There's the Yamaha racing tachometer that were used on this bike, and there you see an EGT gauge that I've adapted to it. It tells the exhaust gas temperature of the two cylinders separately as the exhaust gases come out into the pipes. Another thing that Rob made for me were these gooseneck handlebars. They clamp on like a clip-on handlebar, but then they come up about 7 or 8 inches to give a little more height, to make it a little more comfortable ride. One of the neatest features of these Yamaha production road racers is these massive 4-leading shoe front brakes, which have been adapted over time to many other motorcycles for road racing. Here's the trophy that the bike won at the Del Mar Concours Motorcycle Show for Best Street Special of Show. And here's my cat. You can see the probes that enter the exhaust pipes for the EGT gauges. Standard carburetors. The engine is essentially all standard except for the exhaust pipes and the air cleaners.